Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Mkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about uLatoya Makhene. Guys, I'll post a video of uBaby Daddy ka Latoya Makhene. I don't know noma uBaby Daddy umntwana is 6 or is 5, but I do know ukuthi uLatoya Makhene has many kids with different baby daddies. Lo qeda kuvela manje on the reality TV show, guys, I expose uLatoya with lies.
I am Lepara,
Hello,
Daddy's
South
baby.
Africa. Igama lami ngu-Ephraim John. Ngiyinyanga by profession under i-association South Africa yenyanga kuyi-THO. Ngimi ubaba kaNgani yaka Latoya Makhene. uBaby Daddy lo so called Ipara. Ngilana because of mfuna ukulandelela zonke ama-accusations ayenzeka ngami akhulunywa huyo uLatoya phezu kwami nangalezi zenzo lezi yena azenzayo la khona. So kukanje South Africa, namanje ngikhala ngengane yami ubaleka ngayo. 2, akusiyinyanga njengoba yena esho because uye wayekhuluma kimi lento leyo uLatoya lento lokuthi yena akusiyinyanga. Ma uLatoya njengoba azikhuluma buhle ngami, amosha igama lami wangibiza those names njengoba nimuzwa ku-social media, uLatoya Makhene. So nokunyanga lobu nale mithi le athi ayithengisa whatever, uLatoya Makhene, it's a lie. Akusisona isangoma. 2, siye sayenza ama-shootings njengoba nibona yonke lento le kumzansi Magic. I don't know nothing about the monies nani zonke lento lezi ukuthi bokwenzakalani uLatoya Makhene. Yonke into yami ikuye, yena uLatoya Makhene about everything le imali nokuthi ngisanele izinto ngengane yami nokuthi the cheatings and the lies to the media ngegama lami ngayo yonke lento lezi azenzayo uLatoya Makhene ngami. She is not what she's saying. Kokuqala futhi utshontshile endumbeni kakhulu njengoba manje sekavule nemithi stop. But anyway, okuningi ngisazoyenza ama-follow up wama-video la wonke alibele awayenza. Thank you.
Njengoba sengishilo-ke ngachaza konke lokho ngikuchazile. Ukunye njengoba sehembe mangilibele ngilungalungisa ezinye izinto lapha endumbeni ngoba kade vele bengikubona lokho ukuthi usemaswena yonke lento libele yenza le. Ngithole ukuthi incwadi zami masengiya kuzo khona into ngathi ama-page ayashoda. Futhi kakhulu umuntu othanda ukushuta yena umuntu umthetho wakhe anything uyayishuta or uyarekhoda. So ubonile ukuthi ngizobona kakhulu ukuthi uwenzani njengoba manje sekavula ama-herbal store because bokuyisifiso sami nombono wami negama le-umbrella yami, the umbrella yalento le manje sekadayisa imithi today. Avule umithi shop yena wenzani into ayitshontshe kumina, into ayishuthe kumina, into ayithathe eincwadini zami phakathi endumbeni yami ngoba khona nalencwadi enye THO yona iwes kokugcina organization leyo kunyangaza indabuko. Amacepho ke maybe kusele 4 page or 5 pages lapha yana information engasangekho lapha eincwadini zami. Ngalendlela ayenza izinto ngakhona ujwayele ukwakha empire noma yilezi eyakhelayo ngamasibe ezinye into ayenzile. Ngineshona manje masingakuleso store yonke into align lapha kule yamithi noma inhlanganiso izinto ezaziwa yimina ukuthi usebenza kanjani, wenza kanjani. Ezinye zazo angichazanga laphana, ngibhale nje amagama emithi ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi lesebenza kanjani ukwenzakalani ngoba kuyinto ayijwayele nokuthi bahekhe namafoni wami. Yena nomntana wakhe nalomfana lo umlungu lo omunye la naye lapha endlini naloyana omunye into bazenzayo bangena through my accounts mangifika lapha bathi senginama account ayi2 bazibuza ngithi leya ngiyazi masizoyivula and okunye lokhu okunye mama sisibheke ezinye izinto na previous lento le ngiyithole efonini yami lento le mase ngigugula ezinye izinto ngoba khona ezinye izinto ezalathwa ngeke ukwazi ukuzivula uma ungakwazi ukusebenzisa lento le. Mina nginikezwe idlozi nezithunywa ukuthi yenza kanje wazi wathuka naye impela ukuthi wazi wathi you are a genius, God gave me a genius because utrya ukubrasha lesona. Yazi kunabantu abathanda isono sabo bayasibrasha esakho haya khomba kanje ngazo ngoba mawumbusa kule sono sakhe umuntu obalekayo ngathola ukuthi lama account mangiyapheka sihlandelela izinto ngivulisisa ngithola ukuthi nginama company mina nginama restaurants emhlabeni le pheshe emazweni zenziwe uye phekwe igama lami phekwe isibongo sami na yonke into izibiza mina ngigibele nama flight angawazi nasema account nami kunezimali bezingena ngizazi mase sifike ebank babheka wazwa ngibuza lo mntana uthi lo bekangisize ebank ukuthi ha ngicala ukuyibona into enje la wathi yazi kahle la ibunga umunye umuntu ongachaza kumele ngibiza amaphoyisa wena nje uqobo nje uyolala nje ama hawks ayeza phe kwakho cha ngwa ngathi thi ngikubonisa lokhu ngakusho even though ngimconfrontile yena self umama ngisahlala naye wathi no, I'm building us for the future, I'm doing this for the empire, for me and you ngoba yena azi ukuthi uwakhani ngaseceleni into ezozuzwa uyena into ukuthi makayizuza azobaleka nale ngane because uyazi ukuthi uyini angeke ngichaze lokho ukuthi lengane le ukuthi uyini njengoba abantu nomama nje empeleni nje nanoma kuthi wanihlukene nje ubaba uyadeserve ukuthi abone ingane yakhe ayikhulise kahle ayiyenzele izinto naye ajabula emamall nayo naye ahamba ayithengela bona kuma bumpy wathi lapho kube mnandi njengoba athokoze ama Christmas ama New Year angwazi nalengane first time konke ama Valentine zonke lezi zinto uyibizana into kanje ngala ngithathe kunye impahla ukuwafula ezinye impahla zami uyintshontshile ezinye into azenzile lo mfazi lophe kwami najoba ngithi uguqule yonke into yami system from bank, from phone, from impahla from ukutshontsha ama ideas nembonakaliso yabantu bakithi abangizalayo ukuthi enza ukuthi nokuthi bhala ukuthi nokuthi umuntu kanje uhlangana kanje wenzani phezulu kwesimo sempilo yami makonke lokhanakho amampunge inyoni noma ijuba elakhela ngamasibe ezinye lempilo le akuyo lempilo anayo lempilo lebekayiphila akusinto ayithole ayisebenzele uyebile uyayeba namanje uqhaqhile wayenza konke lokho akwenzile pheke kwesimo sami manyabonga ukukhuluma konke lokho ngikhulume because okuningi angeke ngikhulume ngoba ngiyamprotecta.
Guys, if you remember 2 years back ex-wife yakaLatoya Makhene uLebu was going on each and every podcast exposing uLatoya Makhene's lies, and we thought uLebu she's lying makathi uLatoya akasi traditional healer, she had to buy amathambo okuhlola for uLatoya bangana even amathambo inyanga enjani engana amathambo kanti these things abaphumi nazo ephehlweni. So nangu uBaby Daddy uthi uLatoya is denying her is denying him access ukuthi ayibone ingane yabo akafuni ubaleke nezincwadi zakhe zokuthi ayohlola. Remember uLebu even said that once said ukuthi yena bekahamba kule mithi shops abhala imithi ukuthi isebenza kanjani. So I guess lezo zinto lezo washiya mhlambe kaLebu because nangu bathi manje utshontsheza kamkhulu lo uShaka Zulu then kuthiwa uLatoya akanawo amathambo akasinyanga uthi umkhulu yena into uLatoya wamtshela ukuthi yena akasi traditional healer akanawo umoya, but ke njengoba bebahlala boyi2 bekasebenzisa izinto boyfriend yakhe, the ex-boyfriend. On the reality show ubaba lo bamdescribe as ihobo, bamdescribe as iphara, bamdescribe as iphara sabantu engathi uzithathela idakamizwa and uziphilela nje emjondolo. But-ke into emangazayo ngoLathoya seems like she's broke to her core, because I don't see uLathoya dating this man, but now ukwenzile. I don't see uLathoya falling pregnant for this man, but now ukwenzile. And now I'm starting to believe each and everything uLebo bekayisho ukuthi uLathoya is dating for survival, not for love. Because tell me why ukuthi ungathi sobuya kuLebo udate this guy. Unohana fall pregnant for this guy. On the previous episode, umntanakhe beka-complain ukuthi no. When each and every man you are dating, that man you have to be a father figure to us. You are introducing your boyfriend's kithi. You understand? So it's giving, you are dating for survival. And remember, uLebo once said, uLathoya udla idakamizwa. If you look at indlela uLathoya behave ngayo now, ungabeliever. I really don't understand ukuthi why uLathoya banga-apply isitolo, basebenza isitolo, or bangenzi other businesses, because clearly this thing yobungoma imsebenzeli. Makafocus ku-music, but le bungoma imsebenzeli. Uyafoster. uLathoya wavela Figobela umntwana akhala athi mina bengithwasa uklina ijaridi nokuthunya utshwala, then ebusuku umsebenzi wami entwaseni ukuthi ngilamune wena noLebo Manilo. And back then engathi kulokhu asahlala noLebo. You understand? So I really don't understand ukuthi why she's forcing this thing yobungoma. Bakhona abantu abathwasile, guys, only to find out on the later stage ukuthi we were not supposed ukuthi uthwase. Awunalo kwalelo dlozi mhlambe nje ngoba unalawo maphupha ayi-4-6 yana, so ubona kahle ukuthi uyathwasa. And zikhona izangoma edlale ngabantu. So Lathoya, I think it's high time accept ukuthi you know what, idlozi or ngeke ngabona ngisaboni or idlozi anginalo, but she needs to really move on and acoce impilo yakhe, because nangu unengane, une-baby. Cabanga Lathoya une-baby in this economy. Unomntana omncane in this. Kanti aboLathoya basaba ngani nje ukuthi bahlale baye ekliniki bayenze family planning, umuntu angazali balisaba ngani ekliniki mahala ha. And if there's one thing the government of South Africa or the ANC government has done, ukwakha amakliniki ney'kolo, abona lapho shem baphushile. I don't wanna lie, especially in Gauteng province baphushile. eSoweto there's ikliniki khona nekhona. Yinto yenza uLathoya angayi ekliniki ayohlaba? Yinto yenza uLathoya ukuthi angayi ekhemisi, because ukuhlaba ekhemisi I think it's 80 rand or so. So nangu-ke ubaba uyakhala uthi into ayicelayo yona nje incwadi zakhe, ingane yakhe, and uLathoya kuthiwa uvula amabhizinisi ngalo baba lo makathi yambuza lo baba uthi no, I'm doing it for our future. I'm building an empire. Into kaLathoya iyamangaza bazala bami, I don't wanna lie. Into kaLathoya iyamangaza ukuthi why uphila le mpilo, why uzimora, and okuzimoreni wakho awuzimoreni umora ugogo wakho, umora ubabakho. Into ebuhlungu umora ney'ngane zakho, because the time ahlala noLebo uLathoya bekanebhebi. Lelo bhebi bathi belisapota uLebo. Lelo bhebi I don't think ukuthi lina-7 njengoba sekanemunye umntwana manje nomunye umuntu. But-ke bazali bami, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.